Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to light mode in Microsoft Edge on Android. How to light mode in Microsoft Edge on Android. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Microsoft Edge app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Microsoft Edge app. Next, tap the three-line icon at the bottom right of the screen. And a menu like this will appear. Tap the Settings menu. To Appearance ADN Layout. And tap Light. So that's it, tutorial how to light mode in Microsoft Edge on Android. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.